were fire in a pouring rain, burning bright through the hurt and pain. Now the echoes of your goodbye still haunt these walls at night. Your shadows dancing in the dark, like a ghost around my heart. Every word we left unsaid is screaming in my head. I gave you all my midnight prayers. You gave me silence, cold and bare. So this is my last cry. No more tears left to dry. I'm letting go tonight, watching us fade from sight. I loved you till it broke me inside, but this is where I draw the line. It's my last cry for you, my last cry. Your sweater still hangs by the door, but you don't live here anymore. I trace your name in dusty light, then let it drift out of my life. We were diamonds in disguise, now we're just a sweet goodbye. Two hearts that couldn't stay, but couldn't walk away. I held on past the warning signs. Now I'm choosing to free what's mine. So this is my last cry. No more tears left to dry. I'm letting go tonight, watching us fade from sight. I loved you till it broke me inside, but this is where I draw the line. It's my last cry for you, my last cry. Maybe someday I'll thank the pain for teaching me to love again, but right now I'm closing the door, not yours to hurt anymore. This